Hello student, today in gravitation from science 1 standard 10 we are going to learn numericals from this chapter, and numericals are given in your textbook. Some are solved, and in question 5a some example are given for you. So that example we will solve here. An object take 5 seconds to reach ground from height of 5 meters. On a planet, what is the value of G on that planet? So, in every problem, we must know what is given and what we want to calculate. What is given and what we want to calculate. So in this problem, we are going to observe what is given. First is object take 5 seconds, means time is given t, given data, t equal to 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Second thing, to reach ground from height of 5 meters, means here distance, that is displacement is given. Why it is shown by S. Height h equal to S, displacement, and that is 5 meters. From the height of 5 meters, h equal to 5 meters. Now, when object is in free fall and that object falls under the influence of gravitational force only, that is in free fall, you know that. So here is chalk in my hand, right hand, and this chalk I will release now. So it will come to the ground under the influence of gravitational force, that is gravitational acceleration will be there in this object. But in this position in my right hand, when it is in steady position. Its initial velocity is 0. Its initial velocity is 0. And this initial velocity is given, not given actually here, but object reach from height of 5 meters on a planet. Means 5 मीटरच्या उंचीवरून ऑब्जेक्ट हा असा येतो. याचा अर्थ याची सुरुवातीची जी स्पीड आहे, वेग आहे, तो आहे 0. तो दिलेला नसला तरी आपल्याला माहित आहे 0 मीटर पर सेकंड. 0 मीटर पर सेकंड. And what is Earth then? What is value of G on that planet? Means G, gravitational acceleration, A equal to G equal to what? And here what is given? T, S, U, and here we want to calculate. Which formula should be used? We know from this data there is S, T and U, and another is A. These 4 physical quantities are in Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion. What is that? Newton's second law of motion is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Now we will keep value in this Newton's second law of motion. S is given 5 meters is equal to ut 0 multiply t is 5 plus half A in this example is G, gravitational acceleration, multiply. Here is t square, means Now here 5 meter is equal to 0 into 5 is 0. What remain here? Half G multiply 5 is the square 25. So this will be inverse here. 5 multiply 2 and this will be inverse here upon 25. This is equal to, here remain G. Now we can say that therefore G equal to 5 to the 10 upon 25 and 10 upon 25 means 0.4. We make this 10, 25, 0, decimal point 0, 25 4 the 100. 0.4 meter per second square. Meter per second square. This is our answer. Value of G on that planet is 0.4. Value of G on that planet is 0.4 meter per second square. त्या प्लॅनेटवर G ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ती किती आहे? 0.4 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. Thus, this example can be solved